Hello students, welcome to video class of Engineering Mathematics 1. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding radius of curvature for a given curve, and we need to show that that is equal to y square by c. 1. Second, which is also equal to length of the normal intercepted between curve and x-axis. That has to be calculated. So what is the question? Show that for the catenary y is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c, the radius of curvature is equal to y square by c, which is also equal to length of normal intercepted between curve and x-axis. Okay, we can see the given curve is y is equal to f of x, which is nothing but a Cartesian curve. Therefore, very first I'll be taking we have radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. Fine, this is divided by y2. Means what is to be calculated? Very first we need to calculate y1 and y2 from y. Therefore, let us consider the given y, which is c into cos hyperbolic x divided by c. We calculate its radius of curvature, and that must be same as y square by c. Let us see that. Then y1 is equal to dy by dx, means differentiating this curve with respect to x. So c constant. What is differentiation of cos hyperbolic? Sine hyperbolic. Please be careful. Differentiation of cos trigonometric will be minus sign, but cos hyperbolic will be plus the sign, into x by c. That into differentiation of x by c with respect to x is 1 by c. Here c get cancelled. Therefore y1 is equal to sine hyperbolic x divided by c. We got y1. Let us go for y2. Therefore, y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square, which is equal to differentiation of sine hyperbolic is cos hyperbolic x divided by c, that into 1 divided by c. Therefore, y2 is equal to cos hyperbolic x divided by c divided by c. This is y2. Therefore, substitute these values in radius of curvature. Equation number 1. Substitute the value of y1 and y2 in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1. What is y1? Sine hyperbolic x by c the square, that raised to 3 by 2 divided by that raised to 3 by 2 divided by cos hyperbolic x divided by c whole divided by c. Fine. So which is nothing but the c goes to the numerator into what is 1 plus sine hyperbolic square. 1 plus sine hyperbolic square is cos hyperbolic square x by c raised to 3 by 2. This divided by cos hyperbolic x by c. Here the square and 1 by 2, the power get cancelled. Therefore, rho is equal to c into, now it is cos hyperbolic cube x by c divided by cos hyperbolic x by c. So which is equal to, which is nothing but c into, here this get cancelled. Therefore it is cos hyperbolic square x by c. Fine. Cos hyperbolic square x divided by c. Okay. So this is rho, but this is not the final rho because he said it should be something like y square by c. Y square by c. Fine. Then what to do? Let us take it from the given equation. Since y is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c, therefore y divided by c is equal to cos hyperbolic x by c. Fine. Put it in equation number 2. Then equation number 2 becomes rho is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c from the given equation is nothing but y by c. So square of that is y by c, this square. Therefore it is rho is equal to c into y square by c square. One c get cancelled. Therefore rho is equal to y square by c. Y square by c. Therefore radius of curvature is y square by c as per the requirement. Then we proceed to get next result. What will be that next result? That is length of normal has to be calculated. Therefore we know that length of the normal, if we take it as L, what is the formula for this? Length of the normal L is equal to y into square root of 1 plus y1 square. Y into square root of 1 plus y1 square. This is what? Length of the normal equation. Therefore L is equal to y into, okay, what is y? As from the given example, y is c into cos hyperbolic x divided by c, that into square root of 1 plus y1. What is y1? y1 is sin hyperbolic x by c. That is nothing but sin hyperbolic x divided by c. Therefore it is sin hyperbolic, but y1 square means square x by c. Fine. But we know that this is nothing but c into cos hyperbolic x divided by c into square root of 1 plus sin square. 1 plus sin square, sin hyperbolic square is nothing but cos hyperbolic square x divided by c. Therefore L is equal to, L is here square and square root gone. Therefore it is c into cos hyperbolic square x by c. Okay, so which is nothing but c into cos hyperbolic square x by c is equal to what now? Which is equal to c into, what is cos hyperbolic x by c now? Y by c. So square of that, same thing, same what we calculated, that it becomes y by c this square, that is c into y square by c square. One c get cancelled. Therefore L is equal to y square by c. Okay, y square by c. Fine. What is his version? He said which is also equal to normal intercepted between the curve with x-axis. Means what? The radius of curvature of the curve and this normal both must be same. So which is again equal to rho